Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Miva merchants for beginners in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to start using Miva merchants. Miva merchant is a robust and versatile e-commerce platform which is perfect for setting up your online store. So make sure to stick by and follow this step-by-step guide. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Basically, once you open it, go to the URL section, and all you need to do is simply just type Miva merchants. As simple as that. So, merchants, and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to click on the first link, which is miva.com. As you can see, make sure it's not a sponsor or anything like that. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to their home screen or main screen right away. So if you know nothing about Miva, make sure to take some time, scroll down through their home screen and main screen and read some information about their website. Examples of the experience, functionality, and support your business needs to grow revenue and maximize ROI. So you can scroll down, see like the features that comes with it. So more speed, more flexibility, more control over everything, and more ways to sell. Like breakthrough business to business or B2B, and yeah, like some informations that you may want to know. So, an example, first of all, you can go here and get the pricing and see the plans that they have. And as example, please tell us a little about your business and we'll match you with one of our solution experts. As you can also talk to us on this number. So you'll have to fill up your information and click on get your code to get one. And other than that, of course, you can simply just go back and click on free products for example, if you want just a free option. So you basically have to get that, you'll need to schedule your 15 minutes consultation here. And once you do, so example, maybe I'll choose this specific dates. Of course, like how can you choose dates? Basically, you will find it like you'll find the difference by this one, like it has no colors, and this one like is white. So the white ones you will be able to take a schedule in there. For example, maybe I'll choose this date, and as you can see, you will be able to choose which type specifically do you want. Maybe, as example, this one, and here you'll have to fill up your information like your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. And you can even add the guests if you want to. You will be able to invite up to 10 guests to attend the meeting. And of course, you'll have to add their emails one by one, as example. So maybe it's going to be like test@gmail.com. And of course, you can simply, of course, okay, I'll just go here and enter like a valid one and simply just hit this option. And as you can see, it will be added here. So 1 per 10, you can add up to 10. For the data and privacy, make sure to read, of course, all the information here, privacy policy and everything, and agree to receive the other communication from Miva if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to check that option in there. So once you click on confirm, of course, they'll confirm with you and you'll be able to get a free like 15 minutes consultation here. So as I said, other than that, you'll need to go here and click on get the price in. If you want, like just simply get it. And of course, you'll have to simply fill up your information as example. So here for the email, I'll just fill up my email also. Make sure to do the same as example. So we just go here and fill it up. Then the company name, I'll just name it Omics. Phone number, I'll just put that in here. Company websites, I don't know, I don't know if I still have this one or not, but I'll just go and do that and then click on get your code. So as you can see, thanks, we'll be in touch soon. We can't wait to show you what Miva can do for your business. So also, while you're waiting, you can simply book a demo, which is the one that we talked about before. This is going to be basically a free demo that you'll have access to. You'll have to basically just choose the time, as we said before, and go through all of that, and you'll have access to it. So once they contact you, they'll definitely contact you through your email. So keep an eye on your email provider. Of course, if you didn't find anything here, you can go to all mails. If you didn't find anything here, you can go to spam, as example. But as you can see, So thanks for requesting a coach from Miva. With online sellers of all size and look forward to helping you discover how the Miva e-commerce platform can help your business grows in order to make the best recommendations. So let's schedule a quick call so we can get familiar with your goals and current e-commerce practices. After that, we can go ahead with the customized products and pricing overview. If you haven't already scheduled a meeting, of course, you can book one in here if you need a demo. And we'll look forward to speaking with you soon. So as you can see, from here you'll be able even to book that if you want to. So basically, you have to wait until they respond to your code, of course. And yeah, so other than that, once of course you get your pricing, you'll basically able to download their zip files, of course. Then you'll be able to upload those zip files on your web server. You'll be able to go to your web browser and then simply go to the URL that you set this up, and you'll need to go through the instructions or installation wizard. Of course, you'll be able to get this. Of course, after that, once you finish, you'll be able to start setting up your shop, adding products, setting up some payments gateway if you want to, encouraging some shipping methods, of course, or adding them, customizing your store however you want through the design and everything, and manage your orders. Of course, you'll be able to create some coupons if you want to test your store, and everything is working as intended. You can start going live, as example, and publish your store. Of course, at the moment, let me just go and check if there is a Miva a demo without so Miva like merchants. So merchants in here as example, demo. So a demo in here, and let's see example if this provides like a demo or not. So demo URL is this one. Just go and click on it and see it's actually working. So it's not found. Wait, let me just go and close that and look for maybe a free demo. Let me just go and check. If there is a demo, of course, it'll be good to show you like the UI of it. If it's not, it's fine. You'll just have to wait. As example, yeah, there's no demo for it unless through the call. So you basically have to wait for the call until it's appear, until you make the call, of course, and after that you'll have access to demo so you can see the UI of it. And yeah, as we said, you'll be able to do all the stuff that I mentioned before, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.